Welcome students. Now I am going to discuss about non-metal. Elements are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids based on their properties. Elements are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. In previous class we have learnt about metals and the physical properties of metals. Let us move to non-metals. Today, many countries depends upon the metals and non-metals it produces and uses. So, the common non-metals are used nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, bromine, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. In the modern periodic table, the non-metals are arranged in the groups. So, the 17 elements are arranged in the group of elements. Next, physical properties of non-metals. Then first one, physical state. Non-metals may be solids, liquids or gaseous. For example, solids are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus at normal temperature. In liquid substance, bromine only at the room temperature. In gaseous substance, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen in the gaseous state at the room temperature. Next property, hardness. Non-metals are generally not hard, but non-metals are very soft. For example, rubber. In the picture, rubber is easily cut with the knife. So, all the non-metals are very soft substance except for diamond. It is a form of a carbon. So, non-metals are generally soft except for diamond only hard substance. In the diamond is a form of carbon. Next property of luster. Non-metals have a dull appearance. These are the example of luster, that is known as dull substance. Bottle, wooden board, ball, tire are example of dull appearance. So, non-metals do not have luster. They are dull appearance. In previous topic, they have two properties of hardness and luster. In hardness, for all the substance are very soft except for diamond. So, diamond only hardest substance. Then luster, then all the non-metals have dull substance except for iodine. Next property of density. Non-metals are generally soft. So, non-metals have very low density. Except for diamond, which is the hardest naturally occurring the substance. So, non-metals have a very low density. Next property of melting point and boiling point. Most of the non-metals cannot be heated to high temperature without melting or changing its shape. most of the metals cannot be heated to high temperatures without melting or changing its shape. So, non-metals have very low melting points and boiling points, except for carbon, silicon, boron. This is the example of coal. Coal, it can be heated to high temperature without melting or changing its shape. It become so. If coal is heated, it will turn ash. So, non-metals are low density and low melting point. In non-metals does not conduct heat. Already you learned examples for non-metals. In some other examples for non-metals, then metallic hand only heating the substance. So, all the non-metals does not conduct heat. Next property of tensile strength. Non-metals do not have tensile strength. For example, carbon fiber is a tensile as steel. Carbon fiber is as tensile as steel. Next property of malleable. Non-metals are non-malleable. Non-metals cannot be shaped. Non-metals cannot be shaped. If hammered, they form a powdery mass. So, most of the non-metals are brittle. Most of the non-metals are brittle. They break easily. For example, coal. Coal is the solid substance, are brittle in nature. Next property of ductility. Non-metals are not ductile. It cannot be shaped into thin wire. It cannot be shaped into thin wire. For example, carbon fiber. So, non-metals are not ductile. In carbon fiber is highly ductility. So, non-metals cannot be shaped into thin wire. Next property, sonorous. In non-metals do not produce any sound when hit. So, non-metals do not produce any sound when hit. These are the example of sonorous. So, non-metals are not sonorous. Some non-metals are available in the form of gases which can be changed into liquid form as well as. Some non-metals are available in the form of gases. This beaker is blue color with an example of liquid gas which is liquid oxygen. So, which can be changed into liquid form. These are the another example of non-metals. Okay students, I revise the topic. Non-metals are soft except for diamond. Non-metals do not have luster except for iodine. Non-metals are not malleable. Non-metals are not malleable. Next property, non-metals are not ductile except for carbon fiber. Non-metals are solids and liquids have low melting points. Non-metals are solids and liquids have low boiling point. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are not sonorous. It do not produce any sound. Okay students, I hope all are understood the topic. Thank you for listening students.